Hello again. Thank you for encouraging me to do more of these videos. The braid that I'm going to do today is called a French braid. We all part our hair to the left, right or center, but a little braid at the parting can make it look a lot more interesting. For this hairstyle, we'll need a comb and 2 rubber bands. Start by deciding where you want the braid to sit. You can keep it to either side or the center like I'm going to do for this video. Take a vertical section at the center parting and secure it with a rubber band. Then take the rest of the hair and leaving out the ponytail, secure it with the other rubber band. Now open the ponytail and take a small section from the front hairline. Divide the rest of the hair in 2 parts. This will make it easier for us to take sections on either side. Let's divide this section into 3 equal parts and get in the rhythm of braiding. In Dutch braid, we did right under center, left under center. Now in French braid, we'll do right over center and left over center. Now when it's time to add right over center again, take a little bit of hair from the underneath, add that to the right section and put that over center. The same thing when you have to put left over center again, add a little bit of hair from the underneath and put that over center. Continue to do the same thing till you reach the end of the section. Secure the braid with a rubber band. Now that the braid is done, open out the rest of the hair and wear it around the face. This is called a French braid.